Now, I put my four-ways on, and on the truck, the light does blink. But the right on the trailer does not. Now, when this trailer is hooked up to this, all the lights work. So, we need to get the wiring fixed on farm truck. Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. I'm donning my new Timu hat, straw hat, wasted. This is kind of mesh. It's actually a fishing hat, but that's not what this video is about. I still have a problem. There has to be in a connector that I have on farm truck. I need to get the right turn signal on here working. I'm going to show you how we're going to diagnose and how we're going to repair it. So watch the video to the end because you may learn something today. Let's get started. So the first order of business is a test light. Got to find a good ground. We're going to pull this connector out. We know that's good, so we need to find, so that's the left, but the right, wait a minute, oh wait a minute, you know, I probably got the wire on the wrong stupid side. It's over here, but not on this side. Alright, so I'm going to have to take that thing apart. And I guess just because I wired it wrong. You know, sometimes things happen. Be right back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn the four ways back on. I move the wire one terminal over. And what we're going to do, we're just going to connect this up. Let's see, it would be probably like this. Let me make sure. See the groove? Oh, well. So let me check the back, see if we got them both blinking. So you see that the truck is blinking. Let's go back to the trailer. I don't know how I got those two terminals mixed. So let me put this thing back together and come back. We'll close out the video. The funny thing is the wiring diagram that's on those plugs, I couldn't hardly wire it to that because I had to wire it according to the way it was on the trailer. How I got it one terminal off is beyond me. So, there's the right turn signal. Let's switch it over to, the left. There you have it. So all my lights work to the truck. Okay. So, the basic tools that I use today, other than electrical tape, pair of scissors. This I thought I might need, but I didn't use it. Where did my other screwdriver go? I have a little shorty. Don't know where it disappeared to. Test light. Test light, you can test anything, as long as it's 12 volts. Don't try to stick this in a light socket. You'll blow the bulb. But anyways, that and the stool, you're able to diagnose and repair what I goofed up. Now on the homestead, we will make mistakes. No doubt about it. We will make mistakes. Simple thing is losing a little, never mind. Screwdriver. Sometimes we just have to recap on everything. It's like, don't figure, say, well, you know, the trailer light's broke. Well, it can't be broke because it works behind my Envoy. But it just didn't work behind Farm Truck because this plug and this bracket, it's not like I could take it apart. I riveted the thing to the truck hitch because I didn't want it to fall off. I didn't want it to rust. The aluminum rivets had stainless steel, you know, pins. They're not going to rust. That's why I did it like that. So that's it for this video on how to fix your trailer light problem. See you next time.